$400 just like that. Ha ha! Welcome back to Semper Mechanic. My name's Thomas. Today's video is we're doing a radiator replacement on a 2008 BMW 328i with the 3.0 liter. I was gonna charge him about $250, and he said if I come out now, it'll pay me $400. So we're headed out there right now. We're gonna make this $400 in a couple hours. So stay tuned. So we're headed out to the job now. This video is Mobile Mechanic Workday number 6. I just want to thank you guys for watching the video, and you guys have been supporting me, and this channel's been growing a lot. So we're going to continue doing these Workday videos. Usually there's a couple jobs in one video, but this job came out of nowhere, and it's a pretty big job. So it's only going to be this one job. It's going to take 2 or 3 hours, making $400. All right, guys, here we're on scene with the 2008 BMW 328i. We're going to be doing the radiator replacement. Just showing you the vehicle right now. So let's go ahead and get started with this bad boy. First, we're going to take this off. There's 2 or 3 clips holding it down. Now, this vehicle's been worked on before, so it's not got all the screws like it's supposed to. All right, unclip the MAF sensor and take the air box out. This air box wasn't even bolted down. Yours might be. There's a little hose connected to the upper radiator hose. Go ahead and remove that. Also, the radiator fan. There's a clip right here. Go ahead and undo that sensor. And this is the upper radiator hose. Most of these hoses have a little spring that you pop off. Once you pull it back, then you can take them off. And this is what it looks like. It's easier if you just remove it all the way. So we're going ahead and removing the radiator fan. It wasn't even bolted down at all. Usually there's a couple bolts. So now we're jacking it up and we're getting underneath the vehicle. We had to jump back up top real quick. Use a T20 to take this bolt out. There's supposed to be a couple of them holding in the radiator, but we only had one. So I'm sure you'll have more. Now we drop back down underneath. Grab your pick, and you're going to take the little metal hook out again. Once it's all the way out, then you just pull it right off. Here's the other radiator hose where we remove the clip. It just comes off just like that. So just remove the metal clips all the way. Now with our new radiator, we got these new plugs. If you got a manual one, you use the short one, but we have an automatic. So you use the long drain plug and you put it in. On the other side is for without the intercooler or with the intercooler. Depends what you use. Ours, only one of them fit, which was the short one. Then you go ahead and grab your, I think it's a 3/4, and you go ahead and tighten them up. Now they're plastic, so don't tighten them over too much. Also comes with new seals. So what you do is grab your upper radiator hose and your pick. And you go ahead and get your old one out. Match it up to the same size. And put your new seal in. I like to put a little bit of oil or grease on it to make it fit a little bit smoother. Once you're done with the upper radiator hose, we're going to grab this one as well. Go ahead and pull that one out. The smaller one's a little bit tougher to get out and in. Match it up. Go ahead and take your time. There's a little groove inside there. You just got to get it in there. Just like that. Now we're going to go ahead and put the new radiator back in. Now it'll take some minute to get the radiator lined up and everything out of the way. But once you get it lined up, it'll fall down in there. Now the T20 screw, tighten that up. The bottom hoses, they just clip right back on, and you push the metal clip down. Every single hose will go on the same way. You'll just push it on, and then you push the metal clip down, just like this. Grab the lower radiator hose, push it on, and then you're going to take the metal clip, you're going to slide it over. Push it down till it clips in. This is what holds it on. Once you're done with that, we're going to put the radiator fan in. Once you have it in, we're moving to the upper radiator hose. Push it in. Once again, you'll take the metal clip and you'll push it down on it, and this secures it in place. Now we're going to go ahead and hook the radiator fan back in. Just push the clip in or the sensor in until it clicks. This little hose that connected to the upper radiator hose just slides on and you tighten it down. After that, you're going to put your air box back in, line it up. Then grab your screwdriver and you're going to tighten your intake hose. And also clip in the MAF sensor as well. We'll put the front clip back in right there, and that's it. Got paid $400 for that. Easy job. So thanks guys for watching the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give me a like. Also leave me a comment. Let me know if you got any other videos you want to see. So like always, Semper Fi till next time.